Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a quick look at the 1950 G50 Pfennig coin from Germany. This coin was minted after World War II by the Federal Republic of Germany. It's made of copper nickel and features a very symbolic design. On the reverse, you'll see the value 50 Pfennig surrounded by lettering. And on the obverse, there's a woman planting an oak tree. A strong message of rebirth and reconstruction for Germany. The letter G under the number shows that this coin was minted in Karlsruhe mint. Now what about the value? In circulated condition, this coin is very common and usually worth a small amount. But if you find one in excellent condition or in uncirculated state, collectors can pay higher prices. Especially if the details are sharp and the coin has no damage. So check your old collections, you might have one of these historical coins. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share to support Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next coin discovery.